Wholesale Hopper here, back again with another short tutorial. Lately, a lot of merchants have been reaching out to us because they're not super satisfied with the default order printer app from Shopify. So we wanted to show our recommendation that can be used with wholesale pricing discount, completely compatible and integrated. We're talking, of course, about Order Printer Pro. So let's dive in. I've installed the app on my demo store here. As you can see, when you open the app, it shows you your most recent orders. So if I click on one of them, it's going to open it up and show me the template that I'm currently using for the invoice. Now, the best part is it's super easy, super intuitive to use this app. You can just click anywhere and delete, change, move any part of this template. So for example, a couple merchants have reached out to us inquiring if we can make a blank template. And yes, we can. You can just delete this whole line and delete it from the bottom. And there you go. Now you have a blank invoice that doesn't say your store name anywhere. If desired, you can also make multiple templates. For example, if you need to send a VAT number to your customers in Britain, you can do that by going to Manage Templates and creating a different template for that customer segment. You can just go create a template. It will show up here, and then you can edit it and send it to those customers. It's the same process for draft orders. It shows you your most recent draft orders that you can click on. It shows up like this. Again, every single line is editable. Every single line can be whatever you want. And you click print or save. Now, the best part about this app, in my opinion, is this line right here, automated PDFs. Just wait a second for it to open and set up PDF link. Now, what this does is based on some conditions that you set up, you can send the receipts, invoices, shipping confirmations, wherever you want. You can send it automatically once the condition is met. So, for example, I'll go with order confirmation email. I will leave the text as default. This text here, this is what the link is going to say on the order confirmation email, as you can see here in this demo, in this image demo. So I'm quite happy with it. So let's go next step. This field right here is where you can add any kind of condition that you want. It's written in liquid code. So for example, let's say I've tagged my customers with some specific tag. So I can just write here, if customer tags contains B2B UK, let's say. Do that, go to the end, right, and if. And now this line that I've shown, this line here, is only visible to those customers that have those tags. I think this makes the automation process really easy, really simple, very convenient. Another thing that's interesting and useful about this app is that you don't necessarily have to open it. So for example, you have an urgent order that you need a receipt for. You can just open your orders and let's say this one. You can click on print, Order Printer Pro, and it opens it right up. As you can see here, then you can select any kind of template you want that you need, and then just click continue to print. And there you go, there you have it. So yeah, I think this showcases how it's possible to streamline this whole process, and I hope my tutorial showcased this at least a little bit. If there's anything unclear, let us know. The support team is very happy to help you out. And yeah, until next time, bye bye.